Today we will talk about starfruit or carambola fruit in detail. How to grow them, what kind of care they require, its sunlight, water and fertilizer requirements. So stay tuned. Hi, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Starfruit, carambola or amrakh. These are few names of this sweet and sour fruit. It tastes really sour when it's green and raw. However, it tastes sweet when ripened and turns yellow in color. Now let's talk about how to grow a starfruit plant. So there are two methods. First is you can easily buy a grafted plant from any local nursery, which will cost you around 100 to 150 rupees. And the second method is you can grow them from its seeds. Take out the seeds from yellow ripened starfruit, sow them in soil. But the plant grown from seeds takes longer to bear fruits. However, a grafted plant can start bearing fruits within 6 to 8 months after planting. Now let me show you my 2-year-old plant which is growing in backyard and it's fruiting for the third time. It's about 5 to 6 feet big with many branches on it. Now here comes the tip to get more branches and more fruits from the tree. Prune it properly once you harvest its fruits to promote more branches which will eventually produce more fruits on it. Now coming to another very important info on this plant. You can grow this plant in garden as well as in pots and containers. So if you don't have garden space, don't worry, you can still grow them in big size pots and containers. Choose 18 to 20 inches pots or tubs or big size containers. Now you must be thinking whether the plant grown in pots and containers will ever bear fruits. And the answer is yes, of course. The only thing is your plant which is growing in pots and containers will need extra care and attention. For example, the plant grown in garden will need fertilizer once in 6 to 7 months. However, the one growing in pots and containers will need fertilizers every 3 to 4 months and daily watering, of course. And another very important tip to get fruit on it is make sure your plant, whether it's growing in garden or in pot, it's getting direct sunlight for at least 6 to 7 hours daily. Starfruit is a very healthy fruit. Let's talk about its health benefits. It's well loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps in boosting immunity as well. Now let me show you its beautiful pink flowers which has mild fragrance into it, and these flowers turn into fruits after pollination. So it's not necessary that each flower will turn into fruits, and sometimes wind can cause fruit drop as well from the tree. Now coming to the last information about this plant, a starfruit plant bears fruits 2 times a year, like guavas. So now you can easily make out how easy it is to grow starfruits, right? So go ahead, buy a plant, grow them in your garden and enjoy its fruits. That's all for today, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.